continues to celebrate the Air Max 95's 30th anniversary in 2025 with standout releases, including a fresh patriotic-themed Big Bubble edition arriving just in time for the 4th of July. This new iteration combines retro Americana vibes with diverse material choices, wrapped in a neutral base of pale ivory, light khaki, and sail. Navy blue accents hit the outsole, insole, and heel branding, while a university red and blue highlight the swooshes and tongue logos for a subtle nod to the U.S. flag. Material upgrades include rugged canvas on the tongue and upper, along with layers of suede, smooth, and tumbled leather across the sidewalls and toe. This pair channels vintage sports aesthetics from the 70s and 80s, a look Nike often revisits. The Nike Air Max 95 Pale Ivory is expected to drop in fall 2025 via Nike.com and select retailers for $190 US.